Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am very happy because I am still alive. It's a new day and I am still alive. Isn't it a blessing? In times of coronavirus pandemic, every day is not easy. Every day is getting tougher and tougher. So I think about living one day at a time so that I can keep my mind at peace. Mental anxiety is at its highest level since the coronavirus started around the world. First, it started in China, and then other countries, and then finally it came to even our own country, India. And in India, people have lost a lots of lives. People have lost their family members, their fathers, mothers, childrens. So many people lost their dream. I often think about the peoples that died due to coronavirus at a younger age. I think that what if they were alive? What would be their dream? Wouldn't they want to see their child grow up? Wouldn't they want to get married? Wouldn't they want to fall in love with someone special? Wouldn't they want to achieve new heights in their career? Wouldn't they want to do something good for someone? It's not like due to coronavirus only good people or bad people died. Everyone died. Everyone. Some good people, some bad people, everyone. There are no filters when it comes to the question of death. People often think that coronavirus won't come to their family, won't come to their life. But it's not like that. Coronavirus can come to anyone's house, anyone's family. So you need to be awake. You need to be careful that you don't miss a single thing. Wash your hands as often as possible. Wash your face as often as possible. Take a cold bath every single day so that you can feel fresh. And one more thing, be positive no matter what. Even if everyone around you has coronavirus, you don't have to worry that you might die. You can still live if you have a strong will, a strong desire to live this life. Just think that you have the power to do what's required to protect yourself. You have to protect yourself and your own family. Everyone needs to protect their children, their parents, their relatives, everyone. Today, early morning, I am making this video so that I can remind you that a new day has arrived. So, with a new day, new hope begins. It's the start of new beginnings. Half of the year is about to be gone, and half of the year is about to be left. The first half of 2021 is about to go, and the next half is about to start in just few days. So, my request to everyone is that if you have done any mistake in the first half, please don't repeat it in the second half. Please take good care of your health. Please obey your parents. Please love your kids. You never know which day will be the last day of your life. Please have a good time with your siblings. Please spend some quality time with your entire family because you never know when or how you might die. It's not about coronavirus. Anyone can die from it, but anyone can also die from road accidents, from heart attack, anything. We all are going to die one day. So why worry about death? Just live our life. We need to live our lives as positive, as happy, as energetic as possible. So today's message is all about the positive energy. Enlighten the positive energy in your heart so that you can enlighten the entire world with your energy. And one more thing, no matter what the problem is, if you need help, take my advice. I, of, I often help people with some good advice. People say that I have very good piece of advices for all kinds of life problems. I don't have much resources with me right now to help every single person in the world, but my dream is to become a billionaire so that I can help the entire world as much as possible. I want to create a better world for everyone, for myself, for my family, for my country, and for the entire world. That's my dream. That's all. Thank you. Have a great day ahead, and I look forward to seeing you. If you like this video, please give me your view about how did you like it, and please share this video with every single person that might need to see it. Like, comment and subscribe comes later on. First you need to listen to the message, because that's what the most important thing. If you think that this video is good, then please do like the video. Please comment on it something positive, anything. It might be a single word or a single sentence or even a whole story about your struggle with life. Anything. If you need help with any problem in the world, please contact me on my Instagram, message me. I I would try to help you as early as possible. I can only help you when you ask for help. So, as a best friend, you can ask me for help, and I will try to help you as often as possible. That's all. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.